Hello, I'm Sam Stubbs. I completed my HOD Capstone this semester at the Wondery, working in user experience research and ecosystem development. And a big through line through my work at the Wondery as well as my Capstone coursework has been the importance of listening. So the first way that manifested for me was through my human-centered design project. I was working on creating a more streamlined system for matching mentees with mentors through the Wondery's mentorship program. And stakeholders in this process are very diverse, from students, faculty, staff, alumni, not just at Vanderbilt, but from other national universities are also eligible as mentees. So I wanted to get a really clear and diversified picture of the different needs and pain points around getting connected with a mentor from our mentee pool. So I interviewed over 20 different stakeholders in this process, and really just learned the value of being open-ended, being solution neutral, just empathizing with your users so that you're creating something that helps them, that they need, and not just assuming they need something and building something they don't need. Second thing was just listening to what's around me. So working at the Wondery, there's always super cool stuff going on. I loved being a fly on the wall at the staff meetings, just hearing what's going on in all the different practice areas, and also being able to pitch in my own kind of student perspective and help people out in that way. It was great to build relationships with all the staff at the Wondery just by hanging around, and if I heard something interesting, going and joining the conversation. Additionally, working in ecosystem development, it was cool to be tuned into what's going on in the broader Middle Tennessee innovation ecosystem, being able to see different groups that are working on similar things, and being a connector and helping people collaborate in that ecosystem. Third thing is listening to new people when you're in new settings. So I had some great opportunities to go to some really cool events that kind of brought the ecosystem together a lot in Nashville, but I also got to go to a conference in New York called AliCon. And this was an area I grew in this semester a lot, whereas before the semester I would have been kind of shy to meet new people at these events, but I really learned how to just kind of listen to who's around me, kind of survey the room, the confidence to introduce myself, and just the patience and the curiosity to just listen to what people have to say, listen to their stories, because I believe everybody has a story, and I can learn something from everybody around me, and you never know where those relationships will go. Another thing was listening to my mentors. My supervisor, Yessi Sevilla, has been huge for me. Everything I just mentioned about knowing how to kind of work a room, I really learned a lot of that from just shadowing her at the different ecosystem events we went to together, as well as just I got to bounce ideas with her every day in the office. And additionally, my Map the System project with my group for Capstone, we were working on mapping homelessness in Nashville, and we got a chance to talk to and listen to Dr. Beth Shin, who really emphasized the importance of affordable housing as a key piece to us. And one more thing is listening to yourself. So I completed my learning goal around incorporating running into my schedule, and just having that intentionality of logging every week what my runs were like, what was stopping me. It helped me realize things I wouldn't have realized otherwise, which was I was getting sick a lot, and that was stopping me from running. And then also on the right, we just have this whiteboard where I just diagrammed out all the thoughts I was having about the problem area of the mentorship matching. And this just helped me to see my own thoughts more clearly, but also get it out of my own head and talk to my supervisor about it, talk to other people about it. So it's about listening to yourself, but not keeping it in your own head, being able to share with other people. Thank you so much, and have a great semester.